10 AI tools that can make you rich in 2026. A teenager with just a phone made more money in 1 month using AI than some workers earn in a whole year. And the craziest part? He didn't know coding, didn't show his face, and didn't even own a laptop. In this video, I'll show you 10 AI tools people are secretly using in 2026 to make money online. Some are creating viral videos, some are running one-person businesses, and one of these tools is so powerful that people are charging clients thousands of dollars with it. But don't skip number 3 and number 1, because those two together could completely change how you make money online. Tool number 1. Synthesia. Imagine creating a full professional video without speaking, without recording, without even appearing on camera. That's exactly what people are doing with synthesia.io. You simply type words, and AI avatars talk like real humans. Businesses are paying creators to make training videos, ads, tutorials, and explicable content using this tool alone. Some creators are running entire YouTube channels with AI presenters that never get tired, never miss lines, and work 24/7. But this next tool is where things start getting dangerous. Tool number 9. Shopify Magic. In 2026, people are building online stores in days instead of months. Shopify.com writes product descriptions, generates store content, and helps automate online businesses. Some people don't even touch the products they sell. They use AI to build stores, connect suppliers, run ads, and collect profits while sleeping. But the next AI tool is helping creators dominate social media faster than ever before. Tool number 8. Notion AI. Most people fail online because they're disorganized. But smart creators are using Notion.so like a digital brain. Content plans, business systems, client tracking, script organization, everything in one place. Some people are even selling Notion templates online and making passive income from simple digital files. And now, we're entering the tools that are creating viral content machines. Tool number 3, Runway ML. This one honestly feels illegal. RunwayML.com can generate cinematic AI videos from simple text. Type, a man walking through a futuristic Lagos street in the rain, and boom, movie-level visuals. People are creating music videos, trailers, ads, and viral reels with this. But wait till you see the tool creators are using for ultra-realistic voices. TOOL. Number 6. Elite. Have you ever watched a faceless video and wondered, who is narrating this? There's a high chance it was a 11labs.io creates human-like voices so realistic that many people can't tell the difference anymore. Story channels, documentaries, motivational videos, all powered by AI voices. Some creators are making thousands monthly just posting narrated stories. But now we're entering the most profitable section.
To get more and deep practicals on how to use these tools, subscribe to this channel now so that YouTube will notify and keep you updated when new videos drops. Now let's dive deep. Tool number 5, Leonardo AI. Attention is money online. And Leonardo.ai helps creators make thumbnails and images that people can't ignore. You know those thumbnails that practically force you to click? Yeah, many are AI generated now. YouTubers are paying designers serious money for thumbnails alone. But the next tool completely changed video editing forever. Tool number 4, CapCut AI. This app created an entire generation of viral creators. CapCut.com can auto-edit videos, generate captions, add effects, and make ordinary clips look cinematic. Some people are literally growing Facebook pages from zero to monetization using only CapCut and consistency. Drama stories, football edits, celebrity gist, motivational clips, all edited from a phone. But number 3 is where the real AI business money begins. Tool number 3, Midjourney. People are selling images that never existed. Let that sink in. Midjourney.com creates insane AI artwork from text prompts, album covers, movie posters, clothing designs, book covers. Entire businesses are being built around AI-generated art. Some creators even sell prints and digital artworks online for real cash. But number 2 is the brain behind almost every successful AI creator. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. If AI tools were superheroes, ChatGPT.com would probably be the mastermind. Scripts, business ideas, captions, emails, marketing, content plans. It does almost everything. Many faceless channels use ChatGPT to generate video ideas daily. Some freelancers use it to finish jobs faster and earn more money. Others are using it to run entire online businesses from their phones. But the number 1 tool. This is the tool many beginners ignore, even though it's making creators rich quietly. Tool number 1, Canva AI. The most underrated AI money tool in 2026 is probably Canva.com. Why? Because businesses always need designs, flyers, logos, thumbnails, invitations, social media posts, and Canva made it ridiculously easy. Some people started with simple church flyers, and now run full design businesses from their phones. Others sell templates online and earn passive income repeatedly from one design. Simple skill, massive demand. The scary truth is, AI is not replacing everyone, but people using AI may replace people who ignore it. Right now, somebody somewhere is making money with just one of these tools. The question is, which one will you start with? Comment below the AI tool you would actually use first. And if you want more videos exposing powerful AI tools, online money strategies, and faceless content secrets, subscribe now before everybody catches on.